Grandpa sees the blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice, and if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, we're off to the races on Monday. Live trading with Grandpa. Oh boy, it's going to be fun. It's always fun trading Tesla. So, what's going on in the real world? Okay, well, Grandpa called out on Friday that according to his calculations, we would open at 258.40. And at 7:55 a.m. this morning, we got 258.34, and it's currently 258.30. So I think I pretty much got it. We had a tight range last Friday of $6.34 between the high and the low. I anticipated at least 7 to 10. Didn't get it. I think we should get about the same today, but you just don't know what Tesla will do. Tesla's, I got a lot of news here I'm going to cover before I start talking candles. Let's see. We're currently in a sell signal in the 5-minute, by the way. So anyway, let's see. Oh, pre-market last night, Tesla went up to 263.76. Right between 11 and 12 a.m. area last night in the what you would call the pre-market. Tesla went up to 263.76, and Tesla is up 24% in the last 3 weeks. So some of the analysts are saying that the robo-taxi day on the 10th is already kind of priced in, but we have deliveries. Tesla's deliveries are coming out at 9 a.m. Eastern on Wednesday, 9 a.m. Eastern pre-market. And then, of course, you have Robotaxi reveal on the 10th. Grandpa's still anticipating 277 to 282. We very likely could see $300 between now and a day or so after that Robotaxi event, depending on how it all goes. Okay, don't forget, lag. Let's look at it. Lag, if you are trading with Grandpa, you want to have a lag of 1 minute or less, I would assume, to be somewhat safe. It's always a risk when you have lag. That's the difference in time from when Grandpa's saying it to when you actually hear it. And if you get a phone call, if you're on your phone, don't forget to just restart the live stream when you come back. Otherwise, you'll come back wherever I was at, and you can end up with a 10-15 minute lag in a hurry. So, Grandpa nailed the open. I'm right about 8 out of 10 times, but I don't advise that you trade Grandpa's opening because sometimes it can gap $5-10 against you if they don't do the fair opening that they should do. So, Grandpa's thinking that on the downside we have support at that 252, 248, 241, and of course 255. On the top side, 264.5, 265, 269, 277, 282 area. Let's see. We got Paul coming and speaking to us. Paul's speech Monday, and at 1:55 p.m. Eastern time today, Powell is going to talk, and they're saying that for November that it's likely that we're going to have a 53% chance of a 50 basis point cut coming up in November at the Fed meeting. Today, Grandpa's expecting a dip, which we're already getting, and more of a dip, followed by a possible bounce. We'll see how it goes. It's very possible that Tesla's going to beat on deliveries Wednesday, is what they're saying. Downside, you know, there again you have 255, 252. I don't know that 255 is going to hold or not. I just, nobody knows. 252, 248, 241, and 231. Any of these numbers you can see today with Tesla. Anything is possible with Tesla. On the top side, of course, you have 264.50, 271, 277, and 282. Don't forget the robo-taxi reveal is on the 10th. Okay, we've got a golden cross, we got a W, and we got a cup and handle. And why is this stuff important? Well, the reason it's important is because traders watch for stuff like this. There's traders that watch Grandpa's crazy W's and M's, and there's traders that watch that cup and handle quite a bit. Grandpa usually doesn't, but I'm smart enough to recognize one when I see one, and we got one. And of course, the Golden Cross. And right now, we're still under that Golden Cross from last week in the 5-minute. Excuse me. But it's heading towards a death cross currently. And will we get a death cross? We will see. It looks like we're going to probably get one. So I hope you got your lag figured out. I'll shut that up. Good morning, Professor, Jeff says. Well, Jeff, did you bail out of your short position there, young man? You should have went all in there. Don't you trust Grandpa or what? Grandpa's teasing Jeff because he went short based on Grandpa's opening price again. That guy is gutsy. But he didn't do too much. He just did a few shares. I think he did 25 shares. But 25 shares is still a fair chunk of change. But he's in the green. I think he got in at 261.08 at the close on Friday. Right at the close. So that was pretty spectacular. Currently under a sell in the 1 minute and the 5 minute, and she is going kind of down, sideways down. 258.35 current price, pretty close. Under a sell in the 15 minute also, about pretty close to 12 minutes to the open. 64 people killed in that hurricane down there in Florida and Georgia area. Pastor Keith said it just missed them, the worst of it, to the east, but they got some wind. And what's a cup and handle? Jeff wants to know what a cup and handle is. Well, Grandpa showed it to you last week. Let me see if I can find what chart I found it on. Well, first off, I'll show you your W. It's right here. Zippity doo dah, down, up, down, up. This is your W. This thing can run 300s in your future, possibly. Possibly. Oh, let's see. Where did I find that cup and handle? I'm trying to. Here it is in the weekly. This is a strong signal in the weekly. Um, so here's your cup and handle. Okay. You start up here, you come down, and you make the cup. This is a cup. And you come down and back up, and here's your handle. And she can zigzag in here some, and it most likely will. But yeah, this is very bullish sign. They don't always play out. They don't always play out, but believe me, there's a lot of people that believe they do. So you might want to be ready to buy the dip whenever we get one. So you got a W, and in the weekly you have, and in the weekly that's a strong chart. That's a strong chart. The 4 hours looking a little peaked this morning. This is the 4 hour chart. We're starting out with a couple of red candles. However, we're still under a buy signal in this 4 hour. Okay, we're still under a buy signal. This red candle here looks rough, but it's only 20 minutes old. In a 4 hour candle, we got to wait almost 3 hours before we even know for sure what color it's going to be. Still under a sell in the, oh man, 1 minute, the 15 minute, and the 5 minute, I believe. So, yeah, I'm a baby candle. I better ring the bell. I'll ring the bell. Good morning, DLA. And he says, good morning, Vietnam. That DLA, him and his twin boys. I rang the bell for him there, DLA. Okay, so 258.05. We're waiting to see what this thing will do here a little bit today. Grandpa's in no rush to do anything. I'm going to get back to the 5 minute. She's looking like we probably will get a death cross, probably around the 259.60 area. It's hard to tell this far out. We might not even get one, but if it keeps coming like it's coming, right around 259.50, take away $3. 256.50, take away $10, 249.50. Oh, 249.50. Yeah, that'd be a nice number. So, yeah, there's Paul. He's going to come and talk to us just a little bit before 2 p.m. Eastern time today. And the reason it's important is you can expect volatility when he talks, and because the market will read whether or not they think we're gonna get a 50 for sure, 25, or what they're gonna do on that basis point thing. So currently they're pricing in just a little over 53% chance that it will be 50. Yeah, we got big stuff coming out with deliveries on Wednesday. 7 minutes to the open. Sell signal in the 1, the 5, and the 15 currently. The 4 hour is bear flag. So far, and let's look at the 30. 30 is a sell signal. We have a sell in the 30. This thing's coming down. Jeff's getting richer by the second. The hourly is a sell signal. Yeah, she's looking weak. I'm almost thinking if it bounces up, I might go short. Hourly is a sell, but the 4 hour is indicating a bear flag. Indicating a bear flag. We're still under a buy in that 4 hour. That's all I know about that. We don't even know what color this thing's going to be yet. This could be just an indecision candle and, keep on going. That'll hit about 1 o'clock when Paul's going to talk, and if he's dovish, this thing will go straight to the moon. We don't know. Nobody knows. All you can do is trade your candles. We have a buy signal in the 1 minute currently. She's heading back up. Buy signal in the 1 minute. Boy, Grandpa really nailed the open this time. Right on the money. Yeah, it's the opening, and Grandpa knew it was going to be an opening too, That's the way it is. 5 minutes to the open. And the 1 minute's looking sicker, but it's still a buy signal in the 1 minute. 5 minutes is a sell, 15 minutes a sell, 30 minutes a sell, and the hourly is a sell. That's all I know about that. And we're getting a bear flag in the 1 minute. Who knows what it will do? I'm anticipating a switch over here pretty quick. Yeah, we're looking at that 259. Hey, Clutch. Okay, Clutch is describing a cup and handle. He says, think of it. Think of a stack of slack jump rope with a smaller one next to it on the chart. Yep, that would about explain it. Okay, let's see if this candle does that fit into that? Yeah. If this candle is green, we will have a buy signal in the 5 minute. We have a buy signal in the 1 minute. And it's too early to know in the 5 minute. We're still under a sell in the 15, the 30, and the hourly are still sell signals. It's not looking too awful strong here this morning. Grandpa's hoping for a dip down to that. I want to go long because we just have a lot of good news. Q3 deliveries are anticipated to be very good for Tesla. Their sales in China are up. And we have Robotaxi Day. The excitement for that is building by the minute on the 10th. And we have Paul going to talk to us today. 3 minutes to the open. She's going to be wild. We're under a buy signal in the 1 minute. And it looks like we're going to have a buy signal in the... we'll know in 1 minute, just 1 minute before the opening. looks like we're going to have a buy signal in the 5-minute, but I tell you what, it's scary to call it when it's the 1 minute's going straight up, 15 minutes trying to give us signs of a turnaround. 5-minute, I don't dare call it yet. I don't even know if I dare call it at the 4-minute mark. It is right now, but the 1 minute is looking awful good. 1 minute's a buy signal. 1 minute's a buy signal. Yep, 5 minutes a buy signal. The 1 and the 5 are a buy. The 15 is still a sell. Hope this is helpful for somebody. And we have a potential death cross coming. Will it hit? I do not know. But we also have a W in the daily chart. But right now we're going to watch our candles. We need to watch the candles. Oh, man. Yeah, it was a nice, relaxing weekend. We had a wonderful funeral for Jim Niemer. We are going. Oh, boy, the bell rang. The bell rang. Okay, under a buy signal in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and potentially coming up in the 15 minute, but too early to tell in the 15. But it looks like the 15 is turning over. We got to wait 10 minutes just to know for sure in the 15. But she looks like she's going to switch to a buy signal. Possibly. Way too early to know. Yeah, I hope we get some range today from high to low. That's what Grandpa hopes. Pushing her back down. Get some big wicks on these buses. $259.64 on the top side so far. And $258.10 on the bottom side so far. Still under a buy in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. 5 minute is a buy. She's going up, 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 up. Keeps going up too high, Grandpa. I hope you got out of those shares there, Mr. Mom. I hope you got out of your shorts. That's what I hope. Oh, remember the old saying, guys, gals, pigs get fat and hogs get slaughtered. Well, look at that green candle in the 5 minutes. It's just absolutely glorious, except for it's got a big wick at the top, but it's early. It's early. That candle ain't even... We got to wait another 35, 40 seconds before we know what we got rocking and rolling on that 5 minute. Still under a buy in the 1 minute. We're looking like we will potentially have a buy in the 15 minute, but we got to wait. Have patience. Have patience. They're eating the dogs. They're eating the cats. Okay, 261.65 on the top side, 258.10 on the bottom side. Tight range so far. She'll get buzzing here. Looks like she's going to go up. Who knows? Grandpa was hoping for a dip, more of a dip. We already got some dip. You know, it came down a couple bucks for the open. That's all I know about that. Still under a buy in the 1 minute, buy in the 5 minute. Grandma's going to be mad she didn't buy any shares. She's sailing. She's sailing. 261.65 on the top side. Okay. Let me know if you got out of those shares there, Mr. Mom. Grandpa's curious. I wonder what Trees and his trucker is doing today. Still under a buy in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. And we are having fun. There's no doubt about it. The excitement is building second by second. 262.68, new high for today. 262.68. How high will she go? How high will she go? That is the question. Grandpa's trying to decide if he has the nerve to short this thing. Oh, man. I don't know. Buying the 1 and the 5, and we're borderline on getting a buy in the 15 minute here, and we gotta wait another 4 minutes, about 4 or 5 minutes before we can call it. We're getting a bear flag in the 1 minute. It's not a sell signal. Oh man, Jeff, he's still in that short. Well, you're dead even right now, pretty much. Pretty much. We're getting a bear flag in the 1 minute. Yeah, we have a chance. You know, this golden cross doesn't have to turn into a death cross yet. We can go all day and all week and stay in a golden cross. So so far, I think it's given us about $6 from top to bottom at one point. Somewhere there, I can't remember. She's pushing hard. Let's see. What was about 4 minutes? I should be able to call the 15 as a buy signal. 30 minute. Oh, I don't like this. It's 30 minute is a bull flag. Look, well, it's too young yet to know. This candle ain't finished. We're under a sell in that 30 minute. Still under a sell in the 30 minute. and the hourly is still a sell with the start of an indecision candle forming. But there again, that candle, another 10 minutes or so we'll have an indecision candle there. But no, they're bull flags. They're not buy signals in the 30 and the hourly. So she is rock and rolling straight up. Jeff is in the red on his small entry. How high will she go? 277, 300, all of the above, 271. Grandpa don't know. I just wish Grandpa would have bought some shares. Oh man, look at this thing run. 263.23 and rising. How high is the water? How high is the water, Mama? 6 feet high and rising. Well, it sounds like the geese have been watching them eat the dogs and the cats, and there's word out that the geese are traumatized and very fearful. 263.22 new high. Since the open, we got 258.10. Oh boy, so we got $5.10 already from high to low. Oh, $5.10 from high to low already. That's what we got. I want to see some big numbers, some one way or the other. Still a buy in the 1 minute, still a buy in the 5 minute. And I think we're going to have a buy in the 15 minute, but I want to give it 1 minute yet because it's this candle is 10 minutes old, and she's got a pretty big wick on it. She got pushed back pretty hard. That's a sign of weakness. But you just don't know. The next candle can come right up here and fill her back in. But we shall see if we get a reversal here or not. But yeah, we do have a sick looking buy. The reason I say that is it's off of this indecision, fits into it, and I just don't like indecisions. But we can go back over to here. It's an absolute good buy because that one fits into that one. And we got the green candle, so it's absolutely a buy in the 15 minute. 5 minutes still a buy, the 1 minute still a buy. This bus is still going straight up. She's filling in that wick on 5 minutes. She can fill her in all the way to the top before it's in the next 4 minutes here. 3 minutes, it'll be a complete candle in the 15 minute. It's kind of easy today. 1 minute's a buy signal, the 5 minutes a buy signal, everybody's a buy signal. Why did Grandpa buy some shares? I wanted more of a dip, that's why. But I might not get it. You don't always get what you want. She's a long day. Are you adding to your short position there, Mr. Mom? Are you buying the wick up here at the top? I don't know if he is or not. He might be starting to buy the wick. Risky deal. It's always risky. 263.70 on the high end, 258.10 on the bottom. She's sailing. This bus is running straight uphill. Let's see. $5.60 range from high to low so far today. We have a W in the daily. I'll show you the daily quickly. Still under a buy in the 1 and the 5 and the 15. We're under a buy in the 1 and the 5 and the 15. Where'd the daily go? Oh, why can't Grandpa see stuff? Here it is. Here's your daily. The dominant trend is up, folks. The dominant trend is up. Here's your W. Down, up, down, up. Look at this bus run. Oh, it looks like 270 is coming, 271 in our near future. Very soon, very quickly, fast. And here's the weekly, and here's your cup and handle right here, down and up. Look at that. That's textbook cup and handle. Every trader in America is looking at that cup and handle, buying shares. Oh, no wonder it's going up. Why didn't Grandpa tell us it was going to do this? Well, Grandpa doesn't know. I did say in my opening that I thought we were going to do a dip and then potentially a bounce. And that's what it did. It dipped just slightly with a sell signal, and then it went zoom. 264.70 so far. 264.73 to be exact. Okay. Oh boy, this is fun. Buy signal in the 1, the 5, and the 15. Nothing else but just buy signals. Okay. I'm going to wait a while before I look at that 30-minute. Again. DLA's trying to save up for diapers. Again, his job is never ending. He's a really good daddy. He goes to work every day and makes money so he can buy diapers, and he's out chopping firewood constantly, mows the lawn, takes his wife to Waffle House and they eat pancakes. That's one happy gal, I'll tell you. The LA knows what he's doing down there in Tennessee. Yepper. Well, Pastor Dan and his wife are coming up today, but they decided not to come to Grandpa's right away. They're going to go to the cup and handle. Means it's bullish. The market, Tesla is strong. It's going to go up. It means it's going to go up, Jeff. Same as a W. Means it's going to go up. Probably to 300 or more. That's a strong signal. that cup and handle could take you up to 320, 350 area. Hate to scare you like that when you're short, Jeff. But you are going against the dominant trend. The dominant trend is absolutely up. Nothing but up. Okay, let's see. We're getting a bear flag in 1 minute. We do not have a sell signal in the 1 minute yet. Still under a buy in the 5 and the 15. I'll show you the 15. Well, yeah, I'll show you the 15. There it is. He's still in, down $89. Get ready to pick up some more shorts there when the time comes. That's Grandpa's opinion. But we need to wait till she tops out here. If we ever get to the top, I do not know. 264.73 new high. Will she break through it? I don't know. Oh man, I'm looking at that 1 minute. It's a bear flag in the 1 minute. We're under a bear flag in the 1 minute. That's why you're seeing this little pullback here. But it is a bear flag in Grandpa's humble opinion. You know, Grandpa's not always 100% right on stuff. But I try hard. Oh boy. Let's see. What's the temperature here? 61 degrees. My coffee's cold. That's what. My coffee is cold. Bear flag in the 1 minute, 5 minutes a buy, 15 minutes a buy. Grandpa's got to go get some hot coffee. I'll be right back. Just a few minutes. You're under a buy, and the one is coming around. She's going straight up. I'll be right back. Couple minutes. Okay, nothing to fear. Grandpa's here. 1 minute's buy signal, 5 minutes of buy signal, the 15's a buy signal. And it's going up. 264.86. You know, why didn't Grandpa run with this thing? Just ain't got no nerve today. We're just watching. Watch it go all the way to 300. Probably 271's on our horizon here. No sign of a turnaround yet. No sign of a turnaround yet. We had a bear flag in the 1 minute, and she went right back to its buy signal. Matter of fact, it gave us another buy signal. We're getting a bear flag in the 1 minute again. 5 minutes to buy, the 15's to buy. Oh, the 4 hours turned around. We got a bear flag in the 4 hour, and she's going straight up. Imagine that. We got every bullish indicator that's known to man. I'll go through them just for the fun of it. Starting with the 4 hour. 4 hour, nothing but a buy signal, and we got a bear flag here. That was it. Grandpa called it as a bear flag, and it is a bear flag. Okay, the daily. Where'd it go? The daily, we have a W. Here it is. Down, up, down, up. That's a strong signal, guys, gals. 271 is within reach here. Will it make it today? Grandpa don't know for sure. The weekly, we have a cup and handle. This is a strong signal. A lot of traders watch this cup and handle. Here it is. Down and up like a cup. Then you got the handle. You can see the handle here. Here's your handle right here. You grab a hold of that. This section right here. Grab a hold of that. Pick your cup up. Take a drink. As it goes up, up, up to the moon. That's where it goes. Yepper. And in the weekly, we had a death cross back here. And truthfully, it's still in effect, but 224.50 to 241, 242. Where'd it take us again? 242. I mean, 142, 140, 142, 142, 224, 60, 70, 80, $82 death cross this thing gave us. The next thing you'll see in this stock is in the weekly is the next thing you're going to see is Golden Cross, and we already know it can do $82 one way or the other. So in the weekly, the monthly is also a we have a massive bear flag in I think it's a bear flag in the 1 minute. Here's your monthly. It's nothing but a buy signal. So the dominant trend is up. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. That's what they always say. The trend is your friend. Okay, Grandpa's looking for a reversal signal in the 1 minute. I'm thinking I'm missing something here. I just am having trouble reading that 1 minute. Okay, the 5 minute looks like we might be taking a turn downward. Let's see, what do we got going? What time is it? This thing's not even a minute old. If this candle is red in the 5 minute, we have a sell in the. We'll have a sell in the 5 minute. Hope somebody managed to take that run up, being Grandpa didn't get it. Hope somebody did. Yeah, Paul's going to speak at 1:55 a.m. Eastern Time. And I anticipate that he'll be dovish, bullish, so to speak, because of the upcoming election, and they want it to be good for certain parties, I would imagine. And our bear flag in the 1 minute's heading back up. This thing is still under a buy in the 5 minute, and still under a buy in the 15 minute, heading back up. I don't think she's done running yet, folks. This thing here is looking pretty sick. She might be stabilizing. She might just be stabilizing up here at 264.86. We got a $5.70 range from high to low approximately today so far. And Grandpa can give all the right directions, but if we don't go that way, there's not much I can do. Grandpa doesn't even do it sometimes, so. But you can't go by what Grandpa does. We got, let's see, is it 58.64, $6.75 range from high to low, I believe. If Grandpa could add and subtract, you'd know stuff quicker, but he can't. 264 on the money. 264.86 new high, still a buy in the 1, still a buy in the 5. Let's see. Yep, still a buy in the 15. What happened in the 30? Anything? Oh boy, look at that go. Is this a bear flag? No. This was a sell signal in the 30. But these are bull flags. But this thing can cheat, so I'm not all hip up about that. But it looks like a bull flag in the 30 and the hourly. Okay, looks like we might get a sell in the 1 minute. Looks like we just might get a sell in the 1 minute. Grandpa's gonna try snag some wicks short up here. Take a ride down. We'll see how that works for Grandpa. I'm not gonna get too crazy though. We're still under a buy in the 5 minute with this indecision. We're under a sell in the 1 minute. And truthfully, I wish I might have waited, but I just don't know. I just don't know. How high will she go? Grandpa's picking up a few shares going short. Yeah, that 1 minute is a sell signal. We're moving sideways. Moving sideways. That's what we're doing. We're moving sideways. Grandpa's hoping to get a few more shares. Grandpa's trying to buy the wick up at the top. Selling the 1 minute. We actually have a sell in this 5 minute because of this. I don't like it because of the indecision part of it, but it is a sell. And who knows what this thing will be? Most likely indecision. Who knows? Too early to know in the 5 minute. She appears to be coming down the bunny trail. The 1 minute is a sell. I'll show it to you just freak you out. There we go. This candle's engulfed into that one, followed by red, and down she goes. Are we going to run in a 262.70 range to 264.25? Probably. Back and forth? I do not know. I know she'll snap like a rubber band, which one way or the other when she does it. Oh, hey, we got a golden cross in the 5 minute. We have a golden cross in the 5 minute. It hit at 259.65 area. So Grandpa called it fairly close. 250. It hit at 259.60 area. So we've got $5.20 on this golden cross already. So that could be it. Anywhere from $3 on a golden cross up to $23.70, and anywhere in between. And we already got $5 and something. So the 1 minute's a sell. This thing's coming back down. If you're gonna If you want some more shares, it might be the time to do it. But it's early. She can come back up here and have some fun yet. She's moving sideways. 10 after 10 a.m. Don't forget Paul's going to speak at 1:55 p.m. I'd almost like to be doing a live stream when that bad boy talks. But you be watching. Be watching when he comes to life there at. So yeah, we got everything going. We got a Golden Cross in the 5 minute. I believe we got a Golden Cross in the daily also. Let's look. Sell signal into 1 minute. Sell signal into 5 minute. Still a buy signal into 15. Let's look at the daily quick. Where'd it go? Oh man. There it is. What was I looking for? Oh yeah, we are in a Golden Cross in this 205. 205 $60. This Golden Cross has given us $60 so far in the daily chart. On its way to 80. That's what we got going. Sell signal in the 5 minute. Sell signal in 1 minute. Grandpa's thinking we might get a reversal and come back up a little bit here. If not, we don't. If so, we do. Still under a Golden Cross in this 5 minute. We never did get that Death Cross. She didn't come in the 5 minute. I think we got one in the 1 minute. Oh, we are under a Golden Cross in the 1 minute too. Still under that Golden Cross in the 5 minute. Okay, DLA wants to know if the 30 minute would be a bull flag. Got a mess going in the 30 minute. Yeah, it looks like a bull flag 100%, but sometimes they'll throw you fake signals, where it'll just go forever. But yeah, it really looks like a bull flag, and I anticipate it to reverse downward because the 30 minutes under a sell signal. So is the hourly. Hourly, same thing, DLA. I'll show you hourly. We're under a sell in the hourly, and these two candles are a bull flag. That's what Grandpa's reading. Nothing but a bull flag. 15 minutes, still a buy signal. However, if the next candle is red, and we won't know that for over 11 minutes. 11 minutes from now, if the next candle is red, we'll have a sell in the 1 to 5 and the 15. She's coming down the bunny trail. Hippity hop hop. Look at Tesla go. Hippity hop hop. The twins wanted to know if it was a bull flag. Ah, them boys, that little Jesse and Mac. So yeah, this is a baby candle right here in the 15 minute. It's only 30 seconds old. We gotta wait at least 10, 11 minutes. But if this candle is red, we will have a sell in the 1 to 5 and the 15. And we're under a bull flag in the 30-minute and the hourly. Good reading there, DLA. Let's see. Oh, look at this textbook sell signal in the 5-minute. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This green one fits into that one. Red candle, sell signal. Grandpa sold, but he didn't sell enough. I wanted to sell more. Yeah, them boys are going to grow up to be woodsmen. DLA thinks he's going to start getting some sleep at night once them boys are a year old or so. I tell you what, his wife has 2 at a time. She's a good woman. He sure loves his wife. She's gonna have another baby here probably about 9 months. That's Grandpa's prediction. Grandpa's going to predict DLA's future. They're going to have a couple more babies in about 9 months. DLA's days of sleeping in are over. No more sleep. He says it's about to be a sell signal all the way up to the 1 hour. Oh yeah, absolutely. Well, in my opinion, the 30-minute and the hourly are still under a sell signal. And all we got to get is the 15-minute, and we'll have it. She said no way she is having more. That's what they always say. Don't even worry about it. I've been married way over 50 years, and I'm telling you right now, them women, they all talk big after they had babies and how they're going to hold out. They don't. A couple months from now, she's going to be thinking, oh, I need some more babies. Then that's when it'll all happen. That's what they're designed to do. They're designed to have babies. That's a good thing. Elon says we need to populate the earth. He's doing all he can. Well, that's the truth, Joni. Elon talks about he's got a whole ton of kids. Children. You're supposed to call goats are kids. Children are children. 260.105 and falling. Oh, Grandpa, why didn't you grab some more shares while we were there? That's what. Why not? Oh, man. Got all these beautiful buy signals up here. Didn't do me any good. I thought we were going to get a little bounce up there more than we got. Oh, man. Grandpa's buying the WICK didn't work out too good that time. Oh, let's see. Okay, DLA's going to rename the boys. He's going to change their name from Jesse and Mac to Model Y and Model S. Now that's a true Tesla man. I'm good with that, but you better talk to your wife to make sure it's okay. I always check with my wife to see if it's okay what I do. We don't want to get in trouble. It's not that Grandpa's a coward. It's just that Grandpa's a coward. So we're underselling the 1 and the 5, and looks like it might stabilize here a little bit. It's too early to know. That's for sure. Okay, let's see. How old is that 15-minute candle? Not old enough. She looks beautiful, but it's too early. We have to wait another 5 minutes or so. So we're underselling the 1 and the 5. She's going straight down. Grandpa's getting rich with 10 shares. That's what Grandpa's doing. Yeah, Jeff should be happy. It's coming back down in his neighborhood. I think he's in the money. He's back in the money. Ho, ho, ho. I hope you got some more shares up at the top. It's tough. These guys are out in their trucks doing loads. I know him and Trees in his trucker are both out trucking. And haven't seen Trees in his trucker today yet. Oh, well. Tweedledee, tweedledee. I'm singing a song for Model Y and Model S. DLA. I'm the Ford Model T, I guess. That might make you a horse and a buggy grandpa. Yeah, back when I ran around, they didn't have cars, I don't think. Well, they had electric cars back in the day. But the oil companies put them out of business. They burned them out of business if you do your research. Yeah, back in the day, there were electric cars back in even into the 1880s, 1890s. There were electric vehicles, electric cars, but nothing new under the sun. Nothing but a cell signal in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. I'll show you the 1 minute. It'll just tell you where it's going. Here it is, cell signal. Not even a red candle. Not even a green candle in the 1 minute. Phenomenal. That's a lot of red candles in the 1 minute. You usually don't see that many. She's going down like an elevator, guys, gals. How low will she go? I don't know. 259.60. Jeff is in the money. Pigs get fat and hogs get slaughtered. Pigs get fat and hogs get slaughtered. You still got 25 shares to get out of. Don't forget to take a profit when the time comes. I'm talking to Jeff. He's short. He's still short. He's took the ride up, didn't get any more shorts. I don't blame you for not grabbing any more, but Grandpa wasn't too sure of anything. He only did 10 going short. I thought I was going to fill these wicks, and I still might fill these wicks today. I'm in no rush to do nothing. I feel better going up, but I can't. I had to go down. Why did I miss that run going up? So now the question is she going to break through this 258.10 area? She breaks through that 258.10 area, and we will see some lower numbers, like 255 first, and then followed by 252. That's what we'll see. One never knows. Oh, the shadow knows. Yeah, I'm thinking about playing accordion. I play accordion, I wonder if I'm allowed to play Stand By Me on my own accordion. I like that when I play that on the accordion, So the indexes are down. Not a whole lot. All the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Dow are all three down. NEO's in the green. NVIDIA's in the red. Tilray, the marijuana stock, is in the green slightly. I shouldn't have jinxed it. Still, so anyway, NVIDIA's in the red, leading the way down along with the NASDAQ, and Tesla's in the red. The indexes are I think, pulling Tesla down. Looks like we're getting a bull flag in the 1 minute. Currently getting a bull flag in the 1 minute. Oh man, I hate it when it does that. Comes with that indecision candle. It's hard to read that. Okay, so we have a sell signal in the 15. I'll show it to you. It's an absolute sell signal in the 15. There it is. There it is. 15-minute sell signal. Sell in the 5, sell in the 1. We got a bull flag in the 1 minute, and it's already going red again. Let's check the 30. This 30-minute is a bull flag. We got 2 minutes left, and I'll show you that red candle that's coming next. We're under a sell in the 30 and the hourly. We're still under a sell in the 30 and the hourly, and it went up $6 on a bull flag. And that's in a higher time frame. That's power for the course. So yeah, we have a beautiful sell signal in that 15-minute. Okay, so I'll go through them. I'll show you the one. Here's the one. We got our first green bull flag since we started. Nothing but a sell signal in the 1 minute. She is coming down. 5 minute, of course, is absolutely gorgeous sell signal. Grandpa ought to jump on this thing full bore and get some shares. 15-minute short. The 15-minute beautiful textbook sell signal. Look at that. This candle fits into that one, followed by the red. Once you knew this was red, you're under a sell. That's just the way it is. Getting a bull flag again in the 1 minute. Looks like they're trying hard to stabilize down here. Trying hard to stabilize. Let's see, high to low, $6.75. $6, and I think we did $6.74 Friday. $6.75 from high to low. Are we gonna? I was really hoping for a $7 to $10 move. I was really hoping for $7 to $10 move. Yeah, we might be. It's too early to know. Let's see, $3 down would give us. Let's see, $4, $3.30. We might see that 255 here, 255 and a half area. It's possible. "15 minutes looking clean," DLA says. You might make some bucks. Yeah, she looks good. She's breaking down again. She's breaking down again. She looks like she's breaking down again. Grandpa just might try to get a few more shares. Crazy. Grandpa's crazy. Wish I would have snagged a few more up at the top edge. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Oh, woulda, coulda, shoulda. You know, with Grandpa's great singing ability, you'd think that Grandpa would get more likes and subscribes. Tell your friends about Grandpa. Like, share, and subscribe. I can't even say certain words because when I do, YouTube just shuts me off completely, and it's bad. I don't have. Well, it ain't like anybody wants to really pay too much attention to Grandpa in the first place. I'm going to wait with that. I think I'm going to wait for a bull flag a little higher up. That's what Grandpa thinks. I think I'm going to wait for a bull flag. This thing could run right back up to the top again. I'm too low down on the bottom to mess around here too much. We're getting a bull flag in. We're getting a bull flag in. What do you call it? 1 minute. Bull flag in 1 minute. Sell signal in the 5 and the 15. Grandpa's getting rich on 10 shares. How low will she go? Will she break through the bottom side of this bus? I do not know. Sure looks like she's going to. But you just don't know. Grandpa's gonna try snag this WICK down here and get out of his 10 shares with $50. It's not my fault I didn't buy more shares. I should have. I wanted to buy more, but I didn't have enough nerve to do it. That's not really true either. I wanted to come up and do my wicks, but it wouldn't do it. It was having a wick strike. Was having a wick strike. Grandpa's gonna try get out of his short position. And while it's doing that, then Grandpa will look to go long when it settles down. Any profit is a profit. So let's see here. We have $6.75 from high to low. That's what we got so far. Grandpa's going to go get some coffee again. That's what Grandpa's going to do. Yeah, I can't believe I just got 10 shares. Oh, man. Just, Grandpa's so frustrating. That's terrible. Pick up just about $6 on a trade and don't have any shares. Look at this bus rundown now. Grandpa made $57.50. Oh, boy, they should have named me Richard. I'm just getting Richard and Richard and Richard. Oh, Grandpa's a winner. A winner. We have a winner at Grandpa. Let's see. Jeff is out and made $52. How could you only make $52? I made more than that with my 10 shares. Oh, you're just not as wonderful as Grandpa. Oh, Grandpa's bragging again. Oh, yeah, Grandpa's the big dog on the block today. So far. Oh, you guys are too funny. Okay, so now we're looking for a place to go long. How low will it go? Well, it ain't done going yet. We got nothing but a sell signal in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute. And Grandpa's looking for an opportunity to go up, up, up. 258.10. It's the low of the day. How low will it go? Grandpa needs hot coffee. I'll be back in 3-4 minutes. Bye-bye. Okay, well, let's see. Jeff got out and made $52, so that means he's up $3,082 in a little over 2 weeks of his debut trading live with Grandpa. I can't even hardly take credit for any of it, but I'd like to. 257.25 is the new low. She's going straight down. Sell signal in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15. We did have a buy signal periodically for a few minutes in the 1 minute, but it gave us a sell signal again. So we have a sell in, I'll show it to you. We have a sell in, oh, by the way, this is the 15-minute chart I left you on. Sorry about that. Okay, so we got a buy signal here in the 1 minute just for a little bit. And it immediately gave us a sell signal, and this bus is going down. It's only a question of how much. So good job, Jeff. Jeff turned that winter into, he traded, he's so gutsy. He traded he didn't go very many shares. He only went 25 shares, but he went with Grandpa's opening, and he picked up a little over $2 on it. So that was excellent, considering the he did the right thing, in Grandpa's opinion. He got out. Now he can look for a place to rebuy. That's what Grandpa's doing, looking for a place, and I'm in no rush. I'm in no rush. This thing, I'm in no rush. What's the high today? 264. 254 would give us $10. 254.80. Yeah, we're getting some good we're getting some good movement now. Let's see. Yeah, we got $7.30. High to low so far, 7.30. She's heading for 10. Will it give us 10? Will it give us 20? Who knows? If it gives us 20, we'll be down at 244. That's a major place of support also that has potential. Could she drop $20? You know it. We're up 24% in the last 3 weeks. It's, all this is called a healthy retracement. That's what it is. I will tell you, we have a bear flag again in the 4-hour. I'll show you that. The 4-hour is a bear flag. This is a buy signal. This is a bear flag again. This was a bear flag. So we are under a bear flag in the 4-hour. It is not a sell signal. Let's check the hourly once. Oh, the hourly is still under a sell signal with 2 bull flags. One of them's indecision. And it looks like it will remain. It might even turn red. But it is a sell signal in the 30-minute. The hourly. 30 minutes also a sell signal. We have a beautiful 1 hour's worth of bull flag. And we got a red candle. Imagine that. Hey, Grandpa guessed it. I didn't guess. According to Grandpa's Heikin ASHI, reverse engulfing candles. The 1 minute is a sell. The 5 minute is a sell. The 15 minute is a sell. When are we going to buy? Oh, we're going to buy when it gets to the bottom. Yeah, Grandpa's happy. I with 10 measly shares, I managed to get 57.50. That's just about a $6 run. And Jeff is happy. He's got his $50. Any profit is a good profit. Any profit. That's Grandpa's humble opinion. Grandpa talks a lot. Yep. Yeah, DLA's changing. You better check with your wife, make sure that's okay, DLA. He wants to change the name of his boys to Model Y and Model S. What a guy. He's a good daddy, I'll tell you what. He was out there chopping wood and getting it ready for keep the home warm for the children, and he's taking his wife out to Waffle House to celebrate the little boys. And when they go to the Waffle House now, they just let the boys crawl around on the floor while they're eating, and they're the hit of the whole place. Everybody's wanting to hold them and play with them. That's what they're doing. Good job, Jeff. Good job. Yeah, Jeff has just unbelievably done extremely well. Trees in his trucker should be happy because he's still got that long position that he went in a little over 2 weeks ago. He's up 17,700 approximately again in that one. And he also has a short position. He wanted to get out of it the day of the hurricane, but he was in tropical winds and 45, 50 mile an hour winds. And it was so rough. He knew he was in the money on his short position in his one account, but he just couldn't even take his hands. He had to hang on to the steering wheel with both hands to keep it on the road. Yeah, them semis will tip over in a good wind. There's no doubt. Oh, while Grandpa was talking, we have a buy signal in the 1 minute. Currently under a buy signal in the 1 minute. Crap is slipping. Buy signal in the 1 minute, and still a sell in the 5 and the 15. But we do have a buy in the 1 minute. Is Grandpa gonna buy some wicks down here? I really would like to see. I'd really like to see. I'd really like to see some 255s, but I don't know that I'm going to get it. But I think I might tell Grandma to buy some with her cash account. If she can still snag them, I don't know. I'll text her. I'll say, "Dear Grandma, dear Grandma, dear Grandma." Okay, so I texted her. I told her to buy 20 at 257 in case we get a dip back down there. Because I want her to have some shares when it goes to 300. If she don't have shares and it goes to 300, I'll never hear the end of it. So I got to do something intelligent. That's what Grandpa's got to do. Still under a buy in the 1 minute, a buy in the 1 minute, sell in the 5, and a sell in the 15. And I'm going to actually call Grandma. See if I can get her on the phone. Hello, Grandma. I think she went uptown to work out. Or Vinny's, I can't remember which. It's hard to help her. Grandpa's trying to help Grandma. That's scary. Yep, she's not answering the phone. She's probably on some big workout machine. She's not answering the phone. Yep. Well, there, I did my duty. I texted her and I called her. So we have a cell signal in the 1 minute again. No, we do. We have a cell in the 1 minute and the 5 minute and the 15 minute. Oh, poor Grandma, she's gonna buy it 257, and well, she probably didn't even put it in yet. Being she didn't get it, she didn't answer the phone. I did text her though. Yep, under a cell in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute again. That 1 minute goes back and forth. We're under a bear flag in the 4 hour. We're under a cell in the 30 minute and the 1 hour. I'll show you that 30 minute. 30 minute cell signal, two bull flags, and red candle. That means cell. 1 hour, same thing. I'll show you. Well, we are under a cell signal in the 1 hour. We did have a reversal by signal back. Oh, that's the 1 minute. What am I looking at? No wonder I'm crazy. 1 hour. Okay, so here we go. We have a cell signal, bull flag. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, we should get a red candle. But we got to wait 50 minutes to know for sure that we have a cell in that hourly yet. It's too early. But it's not too early for the 5 minute. We have a cell in the 15 and the 30 and the 1. Here's the 15 minute. Look at how pretty. Oh man, that's beautiful. Look at that. The dominant trend is up, by the way. At some point, we want to grab some shares and hang on to them for dear life to take the run up. That is what Grandpa wants to do. Wednesday, the delivery numbers are supposed to come out. It seems like they're going to be bullish. You just don't know what they'll do with that information. And then you got the Robo-Taxi Day event on the 10th. Everything. It's scary how bullish it looks. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your enemies about Grandpa. Grandpa wants subscribers. I don't care if it's your mother-in-law that only looks at her phone once every 5 years. Just have her subscribe. Besides, Grandpa's a great singer. Oh, yeah, getting back to singing, Tweedledee for little Jesse and Mac. Tweedledee, tweedledee, I'm happy today. Just playing with Mommy and Daddy and the kiddies today. When Jesse and Mac go outside, they climb up the tree. They swing from the branches and they go wee, wee, wee. Tweedledee, tweedledee, they're happy today. Just playing with the kitty and the puppy all day. Now you could play that for Jesse and Mac there at night, or Y and S, whichever you want to call them. And like if they're crying at night, you want them to go to sleep, just play Grandpa for them. 256.85 new low. How low will she go? I hope it keeps going right down to the basement. I want to buy long. I want to load up. I want to load this bus up. I wish Grandma would have answered her phone. That's what Grandpa wishes. Grandpa's trying to call Grandma again. Hello, Grandma. Hello, Grandma. I'm your grandma. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yeah, she would have got her shares at 257 if she'd answer her phone.
Fine, leave me a message, please.
Oh, Grandma's not answering. There's nothing I can do. Well, obviously she didn't get her shares so far. Problem is, by the time she gets them, it'll be 250. Oh, poor Grandma. Oh, I'll buy it. He said to buy it 257. Well, the price is currently, possibly at 247 by then. Then you want to readjust. They'll readjust it some for you, but they won't give you too good a fill. I can tell you that. They'll wait till it comes back up some. They're good that way. Sell signal in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute. This bus is coming down. $8. $8.01. High to low so far, $8. That's we might be close to turning uphill here, folks. We might be real close to turning uphill. 2 more bucks will take us right down into that 254.85 range. That's where it'll take us. That'll be $10. Will it do $10? Starting to look like it will. Yepper, I think it just might. Grandpa's being patient. 11 o'clock. Grandpa's going to turn into a pumpkin. Oh. Okay. 30-minute sell signal with a bull flag. The hourly is going to look like the hourly is still a sell signal with a bull flag. Sell in the hourly. And the 4 hour is not as pretty. 4 hour is still a buy signal with bear flags. One of them being an indecision. So still too early to know. I'm anticipating, we have a buy signal in the 1 minute. I'm anticipating that we may be close to the bottom because we got $8. We got $8. We got $8. A buy signal in the 1 minute. She's going up fast. If this candle is green, and we won't know for 4 minutes, we'll have a buy signal in the we will have a buy signal in we'll have a buy signal in the 5 minute. So Grandpa's trying to buy the WICK down here, as you can see. Will Grandpa get any shares? I don't know. Very possibly. Very possibly. Grandpa is trying to buy shares. $8 from high to low. That's respectable. That's respectable. We're on the verge of getting a buy signal in the 5 minute. Oh, let's see. How long do we got to wait? Oh, man. Another couple minutes. We have a buy signal in the 1 minute. Buy signal in the 1 minute, potentially one in the 5. Grandpa's hoping to snag some shares down at 257. Grandpa wants to get some shares, 257, and then hope for a dip even a little further. I'm planning on keeping these shares for a while, by the way. When it gets up to 307, I'll be up $50. Oh boy, $50. Oh boy, that's a lot. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do some more. And I mowed last night. After church, I mowed. Probably half an acre. I mowed right up till dark. I couldn't even see where I was at. Oh, I hope this thing don't run. Hey, DLA, good job. DLA's reporting in. He made $400 on his way down today. Cheers. Are you giving her up for the day, DLA? I think you should. Live to fight another day tomorrow. We don't know what this thing's going to do here yet. Grandpa's trying to snag some long positions and just hang on to them for a while. So that's what Grandpa's doing. I wish Grandma would answer her phone. I should call her again. Oh, Grandma, oh, Grandma, oh, Grandma, oh, Grandma, 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 oh, Grandma. Here, I'll pretend like I'm talking to her. Hello, Grandma, it's me. Me who? You know, your husband, Grandpa. Oh, yeah. Oh, Grandma, you have such big ears. Oh, yeah. Oh, Grandma, you have such sharp teeth. Oh, yeah. Oh, Grandma,
Beginner
you,
16.
you have such a long nose. Oh. Oh, yeah. uh, the kids like that story. You know, that's the big bad wolf. You know, he pretends he's grandma. Grandpa knows all that stuff. We have a cell signal in the 1 minute. We have the 1 minute switched over to a cell signal. By the way, cell signal in the 1 minute. Cell signal in the cell signal in the 5 minute, 15 minute. Everything is a cell signal. Grandpa's trying to buy the WICK. Grandpa's trying to buy the WICK. That's what Grandpa's trying to do. We have an $8 range from high to low. DLA is going with the trend. Yep, the trend is up. The dominant trend is up, 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 up. Oh, we have a we got us a death cross in the 5 minute. We do have a death cross in the 5 minute. I don't know if I mentioned that. I don't think so. 259.80 and 256. $2.90 so far. $2.90 so far. Or wait a second. 256.80. $259.80. I mean, $2.95 so far. That could be close to all we get, or because $3 is that's $3 within 5 cents. Sometimes that's all you get in a death cross. Sometimes you get $23.70. So, okay, well, I hope everybody had fun today. Grandpa did. And after the close today, Grandpa will calculate the open. Where's this bus going to open tomorrow? Where will we open? Are we going to gap down or are we going to gap up? That is the $1,000,000 question. And so Grandpa will do that, and we'll calculate the range that we will potentially run in tomorrow. And I'll do that around 6:30 Eastern Time. And then tomorrow morning between 9:15, we'll come on live and we'll do it again. And no word from Treasonous Trucker. I don't be discouraged, Jeff. You made money. You made money. Any profit is a good profit. Pigs get fat. Hogs get slaughtered. You played it safe, and you made money. Anybody that's up $3,082 listening to Grandpa rattle, it's amazing. Oh man, Grandpa gonna get any share? Well, we're under a bull flag in that 1 minute. We're under a bull flag in the 1 minute, and but we How old's this candle? Looks like we're going to have a buy signal here in 5 minutes. That's why I don't like that signaling. The 1 minute's not looking too great for Grandpa. Yeah, we have a buy signal in the 5 minute here, and it's running up on Grandpa without getting any shares. Grandma had an opportunity to get some. Grandpa wasn't quick enough. But we all did good. DLA's going with the trend. He's renaming his twin boys to Model Y and Model S, if his wife gives him permission. DLA's a good husband. The next 15-minute candle may be important, he says. Well, you got that right. Oh, yeah. Yep, we could have a buy in this 15-minute. This green dot here isn't even 1 minute old, so don't. You got to wait 10 or 11 minutes to know what we got going on here in that 15-minute. So don't jump the gun. And this buy signal in the 5 minutes looking pretty sick. Jeff, 50 long at 257.52. Okay, good jobs. You're in the money. That Jeff is always in the money. He always does better than Grandpa. I'll tell you what. How can somebody that just listens? Well, he goes to sleep listening to Grandpa. He listens to all my live streams twice, he told me. I think I just relax him. He goes to sleep listening to Grandpa. That's what he does. Good job, Jeff. Okay, so that's a good snag. So far, so good. Okay, Grandpa's got to give it up. I got to go mow lawn. Okay, what do we say? Does anybody know what we say? Like, share, and subscribe. I am at 258 long. Woo, baby. You guys are amazing. Everybody's going long but Grandpa. Poor Grandpa's trying to buy the WICK again and couldn't get any wicks. So you guys are 48 cents apart. You must be twins. DLA and Jeff are twins. They look alike. They're very handsome. Oh, okay. See ya. Hey, tell your friends, like, share, subscribe, and what else? What else? Grandpa's not trying to monetize. I'm just trying to get the algorithm to show me to people. That's all Grandpa's trying to do. Let's see. What else was Grandpa going to say? Oh, yeah, I'll be back at 6:30 with the opening for tomorrow, potential opening. I nailed it this morning. Jeff can attest to that. Right on the... Boy, Grandpa was looking smart. Grandpa looks smart. I'll ring the bell. Hey, we got 3 winners today. What DLA get? $400. Good job, DLA. That was for DLA. This one is for Jeff. Jeff is up, and going get more. And this one is for Grandpa. And wait, we're going to bring one for Grandma. And, well, we'll bring one for Clutch, too. Clutch doesn't say what he's doing, but, you know, Clutch Cargo is the quiet, handsome type. He don't say much, but when he speaks, people listen. Grandpa does. Okay. Think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does, and we'll see you around 6:30, and we'll have some fun with that. See you then. Bye-bye.